While we love the laminate treatment we did for the rest of our kitchen counters, we wanted to do something a little different for the island. Something that looks both organic and elegant and is also durable. In the past, we've poured concrete countertops, but we just didn't want the hassle of building the forms, the mess, or the heft of solid concrete. But a plywood core with a microcement coating would absolutely fit the bill. Check for depth and height.
This does not have to be perfect. It's just to get a surface on.
This is the coat that the other coats stick to, right?
Yeah.
All right.
This one has sand in it. The others do not. It's more like concrete. Come on, fancy peanut butter.
Gritty peanut butter.
Get me started, I guess. I was thinking I made too much, but
Yeah, I think it's sinking into all those holes.
fast because it's too warm, I think.
Yeah.
What you gonna do?
Yeah.
Hope you got it works.
Yeah, it is 89 degrees.
What'd you say?
I said it's 89 degrees right now.
But remember, I'm gonna be probably putting another 3 coats of here on here.
Right.
So I think it'll be just fine. Yeah, it's just like concrete. It's like weird.
I mean, it really is, isn't it?
It's not like Henry finish by any means, but all right.
Is that doing anything?
Yeah, the objective is not to make it smooth. The objective is to, don't worry, they are being chaotic. Just to get the bumps off, so when I do the smooth coat, like all of this little aggregate stuff like that is knocked down.
Okay.
So when I go with the smooth coat, it doesn't, I guess the objective is to make everything smoother instead of running into this stuff and then you have stuff
Right.
off and then getting in the aggregate.
Crud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And I think the best bet is to peel off the tape and put a new one on every single time.
Yeah.
So it doesn't impact on there. But
Cool.
not that you can see it.
I'll flip it around. Oh, here it is. MicroTek.
Micro topping. Okay. Microcement. Again, I have no idea because we're only making a small batch, so I'm just going by consistency when I
Yeah.
mix it. Add a little more water. Done a little more soupier than that.
consistency of a blizzard.
I don't know about that.
Thinner than a blizzard?
Yeah. It's like peanut butter.
Yeah, like natural style.
That's butter. Wow.
It's funny, it blends right into the paint color.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Yeah, on camera where you put it on and just disappears into the background.
Reminds me of the texture of when we did our countertops at the other house with real concrete.
Mm-hmm.
But feel that.
Oh. It's surprisingly soft, like chalkboard, I guess.
The only thing that I can try is I'd have to go buy a different float, a magnesium float.
Mm-hmm. For those grooves.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's like sandpaper. Yeah, and that's like slate.
Yeah, it is very, very smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Man, this pain in the ass. Should have rather poured concrete.
Yeah.
I'm not even exaggerating when I say that.
It's amazing. It's like mirror-like. I can totally see your reflection when you do that.
It's all the water.
All right, so what did you start out at?
100?
100?
I wish I would have started at 80, to be honest.
Yeah.
But
And now what's that one?
150.
150, okay.
So.
Okay.
Only trained professionals who have read the complete SDS should use this product.
Are you a trained professional now?
Definitely. Don't worry, I just spelled it.
What else is new?
To this. Up to 5. It's pushing it up.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Crazy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
No, I went to the bottom.
Interesting. So the smaller part is heavier?
Yep.
How do you keep them together? You just have to keep stirring?
I guess so. They say to use the paint thing, but I was like, I ain't buying all this. Stir it together.
Just stirring, 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 stirring.
Mixing and coverage. Just 3 parts, 2 parts. That's it.
Okay. A professional would know.
High density foam roller.
Okay.
Maybe open up that door right after that as well.
Yeah. Ventilation in here.
You know, it'd be so annoying. The thing like ruins it, and then I have to take everything out, and I have to resand this whole thing.
Oh my gosh, that would be. Don't even speak it into existence. Looks like glue.
I can't find shit on the internet for what you're supposed to actually use. So this is a complete experiment. Everyone seems to be very secret unless you are like a professional, and obviously then at that point you're not going to do a YouTube video of it.
Right. Gatekeeping.
Yeah. So here I am. I'm doing this so you don't have to. Where it's starting to dry and it's really bringing out the texture.
Yeah, I got big time glare on this side, so let me see over here.
kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
I like it more, actually, if it stays that way. I don't know how it's gonna dry.
Yeah.
It says to go until it stops like absorbing, but that's what I remember reading online, but I read so many, maybe I'm mixing them up. So I have to wait for this to dry. It feels still a little wet.
Oh yeah, a little tacky. I'm just gonna take the edge one off. Whee! This result is exactly what we had hoped for. A moody, multi-tonal texture that resembles old leather or a night sky. With a nearly matte finish, silky smooth, yet tough as nails.